Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. You are watching For Tech. So finally Windows 11 is going to release on 24th June, but you got its leak version. It's a Windows Experience Developer Preview build. So today in this video we are going to show you how to easily install this version on any PC or laptop, and it's a preview how it looks like. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you need to download the Windows 11 ISO file. Link of the file is given under the video description. Now right click on the ISO file. There you will see the mount option in drop down menu. Click on it. Now you will see the new folder where you have to double click on the setup. New installation prompt will be open. Click OK. So the complete installation will take 30 to 40 minutes. So you need more patience and the time. You need to click on all the prompts as shown in the video one by one. So sit down in front of your PC, keep one coffee mug and some snacks. So after the complete installation, once you booted, the first difference you will see is the home screen, which looks more minimalistic. The screen now looks more clean and material design like the modern phones. The status bar tool is now shifted to the center, having the Windows startup menu. All the pinned apps will be shown in this area with all apps buttons, so you can pin many apps as you want and keep your desktop clean. You get the new tab My Computer. There you will get the change account settings, lock and sign out option. Beside that you get power up options. So when you go to the settings about option, you will see the Windows 11 Experience build detail, as this is the leak build ahead of the launch. Beside the startup menu, you will see the new search button where you can search any application, documents, anything available on your PC. This is similar to Android launcher. Next to the search tab, you will see the recent tab to check or switch between the currently opened application on your Windows PC. Next to this, Windows introduces the Android phone like widgets. To access this, you need the net connection. You can pin or unpin any application in a startup menu, so you can keep your desktop clean and minimalistic. Throughout this build, you can see some icons for the folders and the application got changed. Notification, quick setting tiles and the recent apps borders are now rounded, which gives the new material look to the Windows. Windows 11 now comes with the new awesome wallpapers, fonts and the notification sounds. You can move the taskbar menu to the left if you don't like the center like new Windows 11 taskbar menu settings. Another big thing is the improvement in the performance over the Windows 10. Apps and the settings are opening smoothly and performing better than before. So that's it for today. When official build will be released, we will make another video and I will check whether this build is similar to the official build or not. Till then, like and share this video, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for the notification of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.